Welcome to St. Michael's Academy Bethia's e-learning class of English class 5. So today we are going to do the class of English grammar. Now today we are going to learn about adverb. Adverb. Adverb को हम हिंदी में क्रिया विशेषण के नाम से जानते हैं. Now what is an adverb? An adverb is used to describe the action of a verb such as how, where or when it is done. So it tells us about or it describes about the action of the verb, that at what time, at which place the work is done, and it also helps to modify the meaning of a verb. It also modifies the meaning of an adjectives and other adverbs also. For example, you can see in the picture, he frowned angrily. So here angrily is the adverb. She shouted loudly. So how she shouted? Loudly. So here loudly is the adverb. They passed the test easily. How they passed the test? Easily. So here easily is the adverb. Now we will learn about the formation of adverbs. We can form adverbs from some adjectives. Many adverbs end with ly. You make these adverbs by adding ly to adjectives. For many adjectives, we do this by adding ly at the end. Some words that ending in ly are not adverbs. So you can see in the picture that some words that end in ly are not adverbs. Some adjectives end in ly too. So you can see that if we do the formation of adverb, we put ly in adjective. But in some words, if we put ly to adjective, it does not change into adverb. It will be in adjectives form only. For example, Sam was feeling very lonely. She was wearing a lovely dress. It was a very lively party. So here you can see lonely, lovely and lively. These are adjectives. It doesn't change into adverb by putting ly in it. You can see in the picture, commonly adverbs are formed from adjective. As we know, if we put ly at the end, adjective will change into adverb, but all the adjective doesn't change into adverb. Some of them will stay adjective. Now you can see in the picture, adjectives and adverbs. Adjectives, kind. It will change into kindly if we put ly in it. Happy, happily. Wonderful, wonderfully. Loud, loudly. Sad, sadly. Beautiful, beautifully. Sweet, sweetly. So in this way we can change adjectives into adverbs by putting ly at the end. Now we will see kinds of adverbs. There are 4 main types of adverbs: adverb of place, adverbs of time, adverb of manner and adverb of frequency. Now we will see it one by one. Adverb of place. Adverb of place tell us about the place of action or where the action occurred or will occur. So adverb of place show us where something happened, or it is going to be happened, or it already happened in the past. So it tells us the place. So here the question arises, where? such as here, there, near, somewhere, outside, ahead, on the top, at some places. Now we can see the example. He will come here. Where he will come? Here. The children are playing outside. Where the children playing? Outside. He was standing near the wall. Where he was standing? Near the wall. They were flying kites on the top of hill. Where they were flying the kites? Top of hill. He lives somewhere in the New York. Where he lives? Somewhere in the New York. So here you can see that here, outside, near the wall, top of hill, somewhere in New York. These are adverb places and they tell us about the place of action or where the action occurred or will occur. I looked everywhere. Where did I look? Everywhere. So here adverb place answers the question where. हिंदी में हम where को क्या बोलते हैं? कहाँ. Another example. There are many flowers outside. Where are the many flowers? Outside. So here outside is the adverb of place. Now next we will see adverb of time. These adverbs tell us about the time of action, or we can say that adverbs of time show you when something happened. Now you can see these words now, then, soon, yesterday, today, tonight, again, early, yesterday. These are the words which tell us about the time of action. So here question arises when. When को हम हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? कब. So we can see the examples here. I will buy a computer tomorrow. When will you buy a computer? Tomorrow. The guest came yesterday. When the guest came? Yesterday. Do it now. When you have to do it? Now. She is still waiting for her brother. He got up early in the morning. When he wake up? In the morning. So here you can see tomorrow, yesterday, now, still, early in the mornings. These are the adverb of time which tell us the time of action. She flew the plane yesterday. When did she fly the plane? Yesterday. So adverb of time answers the question when. Alex rode his horse last Monday. Last Monday, here the last Monday is the adverb of time. Now next one is adverb of frequency. Adverbs of frequency tell us how many times the action occurs or occurred or will occur. So adverb frequency tell us about how many times the action will takes place. So here question arises how many. हम हिंदी में इसे क्या बोलते हैं? कितनी बार. Such as daily, sometimes, often, seldom, usually, frequently, always, ever, generally, rarely, monthly, yearly. These are the words that shows action of frequency. He goes to school daily. You can see in the picture examples. He goes to school daily. She never smokes. He always late for class. They always come in time. So here you can see daily, never, always are the words of adverb of frequency which tell us how many times that actions occurred. Adverb frequency answers the question how often, kitni baar. She usually comb her hair. How often she comb her hair? Usually. So here usually is the adverb frequency. The baby drank nearly all the milk. How much did the baby drank? Nearly. Adverb frequency answers the question how much or how. So here nearly means adverb of frequency. Adverbs of manner. These adverbs tell us that in which manner the action occurs or how the action occurs or occurred or will occur. So here the adverb of manner show you how something happens. For example, she speak loudly. How she speaks? Loudly. He was driving slowly. You replied correctly. How you replied? Correctly. He runs fast. How he runs? Fast. They solved the problem easily. How they have solved the problem? Easily. So here you can see loudly, slowly, correctly, fast, easily. These are the examples of the adverbs of manner which tell us in which manner the action occurred or how the action occurred, occurs or will occur in future. Here is one more example. The man walks carelessly. How does man walk? Carelessly. So here you can see carelessly is the adverb of manner which tell us that how the man is walking. I hope you understood the chapter. Next video will be the book work of this chapter, adverb. Thank you.